Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and preparing the Solo 3 so pairing works first try. Charge briefly if battery is low. The LED changes color as it fills. Once charged, press and hold the power button for about 1.5 to 2 seconds until the white light blinks. This puts the headset in discoverable mode. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and scan for devices. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off so you see Beats Solo 3 right away and can tap. You're now pairing and learning controls so playback is effortless. After selecting Beats Solo 3 on your device, listen for the confirmation chime. Once paired, audio routes immediately. Once done, practice the controls. A single press on the right ear cup plays or pauses, double tap skips forward, and a long press invokes your voice assistant. This saves screen time. Make sure volume is set on your phone or connected player. Adjust incrementally so you protect hearing and avoid distortion at high levels. You'll finish setup and know what to do if something goes wrong so playback stays reliable. After a successful connection, wear the headphones comfortably and test stereo balance across tracks. If audio cuts or pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then repair. This clears most connection glitches. Make sure firmware is current via the official app when available, and if one side drops out, check fit. Keep within about 10 meters and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.